Guys, Andrew Cruzy here again, the systems guy, and inside of this video in under 20 minutes, you're going to be able to build out your fitness OS and track all of your fitness and have the exact routines in there so you can gain more muscle, lose that weight, just like I did, losing 20 pounds in 90 days through Damian Patrick exercises. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in under 20 minutes. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what you're going to get is this dashboard, being able to see everything in one place for your fitness, and also the exercises as well, and the custom mobile app, which if we have time, I'll share with you how to set that up as well, where you can just boom, put in all of your data at the gym, which is great. Because what gets measured gets managed, and what gets managed can be improved. And you can see all the things right here, these intense workouts, boom, and what I did that day, all of that in there. So without further ado, let's actually get into it now. So first thing that you want to do is bring up an Airtable. Now, Airtable is better than ClickUp. It's on a Monday for business, for finances, for relationships. I even have a relationship OS with my girlfriend. And the reason for that is because it has all the data, all the automations. You can turn data into information inside of interfaces, which I'll share with you here, which is pretty cool. So the first column that we want to put in here, and you can hit Control Command Spacebar for an emoji on a Mac, is the date. Boom. Date section right here, so we can track which date it is. So perfect, we got that in there. And now let's go back to the tracker here, and we'll want intensity. And give me 1 second. All right, just getting these columns going here. The first one we want to put in arm, boom, and we can say exercise minutes. And then inside of Airtable, we just want to use a number function that we can search for, and we can change the decimal places right there. We'll probably want a point there, so we'll leave it that way. Then we want number of exercises and intensity. And what I'm going to do is just copy this from intensity right here to speed things along. So number of exercises, boom, lift, there we go. Number of exercises. And I promise you, once you start using this on a daily basis, you are going to lose weight and gain more muscle. I'm going to show you the exact SOPs that I use at the gym to get ripped. In 2017, I was hating my life. I was depressed. I was working a job. And then I set a goal to lose 20 pounds in 90 days. And I remember running across the street, getting a calendar and marking off 90 days. I was going to be 20 pounds lighter. And I ended up doing it in 21 days because I followed the right exercises. I tracked everything. I was good to go. So I invite you guys into a new possibility. If you're feeling burnt out, if you're feeling misunderstood, if you're not feeling confident, set a workout goal. So, and we might even, if we have time, we'll put in a goal tracker here. Actually, I have that down below. You can connect the goal tracker, and I might put a card up here, but just helpful for life. In here, you're going to use a single select. I'm going to use a single line text, boom, right here, because we're going to put in the intensity, and inside of Airtable, you can just copy and paste these over. So we've got light, intermediate, intense, and none. And then what we want to grab next is the type of exercise. Now you can put anything in here that you want. Let me see what emoji that I used. I used an arm there, boom, arm. And we want to have a good spread of the type of exercise. So just single select, put in the type of exercises that you do here. So we have chest, biceps, triceps, back, legs, abs, shoulders, full body, running, walking, sports, yoga, off, and dance. I added recently because I'm working on salsa and bachata dancing with my girlfriend. So then this is really cool. These are linking functions that you can link the workouts and the routines to to your main board, which I'm going to show you how to set up here. So let's do that last, and let's put in the exercise notes. Boom. So we'll go in here. Right. Perfect. And exercise notes. Cool. And we're going to use a long form text. Remember to hit on the enable rich text formatting so you can include checkboxes and bullet points and that sort of stuff. And let's add in, boom, we got the month here. So here, add in moon and month. And then we're going to build out the dashboard together here, which is really stinking cool. So I'm going to put in month here, and then let's get to work. So I'm going to group this by month. Perfect. And then I'm going to sort this by date. And we want the latest date first. So now we can start putting in some data, some information over here. Perfect. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. And let's say I worked out for, boom, 45 minutes. And then this was another 45 minutes one. Let's say I took this off. And then let's say we did a light one right here. And then these can be intense. Boom. And let's say I did leg day right there. And let's go here to let's go to shoulders that day. Perfect. Let's say I did 5 exercises here, 5 here. Let's say 2 here. And then 0, boom, this was an off day, boom, and then this was an off day. Perfect. So we got some data in here, and we can call this, boom, lift, boom, fitness tracking, and we can call this, boom. And then we're going to go into the interfaces, fitness, boom, OS. Let's call this, boom, lift, fitness. So we got 2 more tabs we're going to add here in this video. And then right now we're going to go into the interfaces. But before that, just know you can hit average if you want to see the average of these numbers. You can hit sum. You can change those directly there. So let's get into the fun part, actually turning the data into information. So you can go to start building, boom, right here. And maybe I'll do something I haven't done before. We're going to go into the new interfaces. So let's call this Fitness OS. And these new dashboard interfaces will show up on mobile, which is really freaking cool, as we can see here. So this is the first time I'm sharing this on my YouTube channel, but I think it will be a pretty cool way to dive into it. So let's go in here, and we'll just call this, boom, lift, call this the Fitness OS dashboard. Sweet. And then inside of here, what we can do is make the x-axis by date. Perfect. So now we got it by date, and maybe we want to bucket it by month. So now we just have 1 month there. And on the y-axis, we might want to see number of minutes. So inside of the field here, let's go into exercise minutes. Boom. And then let's group it by, give me 1 second. All right, we're back. And what we want to do here, instead of a count, we want to do a sum, not come, sum. There we go. And now we got it up there. Perfect. And then we can group this by exercise type. Exercise type. Boom. There we go. Sweet. And now we got that beautiful thing going there. So we can call this, boom, fitness minutes by month and type. Now this is looking pretty cool. Now with the new dashboards, what you can do in here is open the record, which is pretty cool. And then we can see the actual data for each month by clicking on the month there. And we can add different sections, like let's also add in the intensity for that day, the number of exercises, all of that good stuff. Boom, right there. So let's put at the top the number of minutes inside of here. So let's do, boom, lift exercise minutes. Perfect. And let's count this up, summary. And we want to do, boom, minutes and sum of minutes. Perfect. And then what we want to do is duplicate this over here, hit a number, and then we can say number of exercises. So boom, number of exercises. And in the summary here, and I'm going to show you how to open these up. Exercises, boom, perfect. And how to use the filter function here. So I'm going to use this sum of number of exercises. Amazing. And that is perfect. And we got that. Let's change the color on these bad boys and let's make this one blue. Perfect. And then let's do this, days with exercise. Sweet. Calendar. Days with exercise. Sweet. And here we want to filter this by exercise minutes is greater than 0. So boom, we're going to flip this around, greater than 0. And instead of a sum function, what we want to do is use, or a summary function, use the count function. So 3 out of 4 days right there. And here's where it gets really cool. So on the new grids, we can go into group on these new dashboards and hit drop down. So maybe I want to see it by specific month, and I could just choose that month and see the data for it, right? Or maybe I just want to see it by, boom, did I put them all under July? So then I can change the month and what I'm sorting by there, which is really freaking cool. Or maybe I just want to see a specific day. Let's say it is, boom, today, what I do today. And we don't have any data in here for today, so we're not seeing it. Or it was an off day. So we can see that right there. So cool. Now we've got version 1 of our Fitness OS dashboard that will also show up on mobile, which would be really cool. There we go. So we can hit publish over here. And the next thing we're going to set up is another view with the traditional dashboard. So let's go in here and let's go in here and do lift fitness mobile dashboard. Boom. And let's hit a new page. Boom, right here. And let's just add page and go to blank. Boom. And now we got this opening up on the side, which is really nice. I'm going to hit grid, sweet. And then I'm going to pull from this source and copy settings from view. And then we see it exactly like it showed up before. So let me put this in August. Sweet. Sweet. And then I can put text at the top. And we're going to go into exactly how to put Damian Patrick's exercises in here so you can hit the ground running and watch them at the gym. Any exercise you want directly in there. So Fitness OS dashboard. Boom, down, sweet. And then here, large, cool. And I'm going to add in a, let's see, a chart. Boom, right here is where it gets really fun, cool. And now I can see the distribution of the different intensity of exercises that I did. But let's say I actually want to see, boom, in here, the types of exercises that I did. Boom. So let's go into type of exercise. Sweet. And then at the top, I can put a number for this. And then here, boom, types of exercise. Sweet. And I'm going to put in here fitness dashboard. Perfect. And let me put OS here. Sweet. I'm going to duplicate this and put this on the side. And here, what I want to do is go into the X field being date and then group it by, let's group it by day. And then see the Y axis by minutes. Perfect. So sum of minutes, and then go in here and make sure that it's only over the past week. So specific conditions, sweet, date is within, boom, the past week. Sweet. So now we got that tracked, and we also want to see the type. So group by type. Awesome. Cool. And then let's put some numbers up here. Oh, there we go. Number. Cool. And I want to see it by month. So in here, I'm going to put in date is within this calendar month. Perfect. And I want to see the fitness minutes, exercise minutes, and make it a sum. Boom. Perfect. And then exercise minutes. Perfect. And then I'm going to duplicate this and then do, boom, number of intense exercises. Boom. Lightning. Intense exercises. Boom. Put it down here this month. Perfect. And back here, I want to put that underneath appearance as well this month. Perfect. And then go back into this. And I'm going to do a count function right here, record count, and then type or intensity is this month. And then I'm going to show you exactly how to get these exercises in there next. So intense exercise, sweet. We have 2 intense exercises this month. Let's see if there's another thing I want to put in here. Exercise minutes, days with exercise will be great. So let me duplicate this, put this over here, put this in here, and then put a calendar. Boom. Days with exercise. Awesome. And we'll put in, take that out, and then go into record, field summary, record, and specific record. Boom. And minutes is greater than 0. Sweet. There we go. Perfect. So 3 days this month. So now we've got version 1 of our fitness dashboard. And we also want to add a filter at the top here. Boom. So then we can see it by certain month. So let's connect it to each of these things. Perfect. And then we can go to that month. Perfect. Got that up there. And let's do this, add some color to it. Amazing. We can say this week. Perfect. Woo, look at that fitness dashboard. All right, so this is where your life might change. So I have big props to go to Damian Patrick, who helped me lose 20 pounds in 90 days. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your exercise routines in here so you can hit them at the gym and see them at any time and really push yourself. So let's do lift right here. Perfect. Routines. Awesome. Save. And let's go into, I believe it's this bad boy. Yep. So we want the name, the time, the link, the details, the number of exercises, the reps, the sets, all of that stuff. Primary muscle group, and I'll save that here, and intensity and gym location. Okay, so let's hop into this and let's go into boom here. And let me delete these. And first we want to put in time. And how long is it? And we can use a duration field, boom, right here. And then let's go into link details, number of exercises. So link URL, Let's change this to link, boom, and then lift. Number of exercises, boom, number, sweet. And let's go back up here. Details, number of reps, number of sets. Boom, arm, number of reps, number, sweet, and number of sets. Let's see what emoji we use there. Trophy. Perfect. Number of sets. Sweet. Awesome. Let's put that in there. And then write details. Sweet. And then let's connect this to the Fitness OS. Fitness OS. Link the record to the Fitness OS. I'll show you why that's important in a second here. Boom. Lightning. Intensity. Sweet. And you're going to use a boom. I used a single line text. You're going to use the drop down function. And then let's get into the muscle group here. So primary muscle. And then I'm going to show you how to add in your routines here. Boom. Arm. Primary muscle. All right. Single line text. Sweet. Oh, and the intensity is wrong. So let me take that out and just do this. Give me 1 second. All right, I got that squared away. And now let's group this by the primary muscle group. Let's move this over here and this over here. And let's start plugging some of these bad boys in and get freaking ripped. So let me delete these. And then I want to go to my favorite workouts. And you're going to be able to pull these up at the gym. And let me see if we can find a chest from Damian Patrick. 30 workout. Sweet. Let me grab this. Grab the link. And this is called 30-minute chest workout. What's really cool about Damian Patrick is he typically leaves the full exercise routine in here. So we might not want to use this one initially. Give me 1 second to find a good. Okay, we found a good one. This is the old school chest workout for mass. So sweet. I'm going to grab this link and I'm going to be using this at the gym. So I really push myself. Boom. Old school chest workout, which let's just put 50 minutes in there for right now. Version 1, put the link in there, put the details in here. So here, what's really cool is I can just grab these things. Sweet. and then put them directly inside of here. Boom. And here we go. And let's count these up. So number of exercises, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sweet. So we're going to go in here, 6 exercises. Sweet. Number of reps. Boom. So we can go in here, number of reps. We're looking at, let's see, a lot. Let's put a rough estimate in for 100 initially. Let's say 120, and let's times that by 4. Maybe it's 24 sets. Boom. So now we have our first one in here. And we've connected it to the Fitness OS, so we can see our routines in here now as well. And let's say I did that chest day, boom, and I can tie it to that record and open it up and see that exactly what I did. So I want to go back to the interfaces, and then I'm going to show you how to set this up on mobile so you can totally change your life and get that going. So boom, I'm going to open this stuff up. Perfect, 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 perfect. Sweet, we got that. Awesome. And let's go into, let's make sure this opens up as well. If I ever want to edit that, I can do that. So now we got that in there. And I can also add it by hitting this button right here, show, and then I can put it over here. Perfect. So let's show you how to set this up on mobile. So I'll add this link in the chat down below. And if you've gotten anything out of this, hit that heart button, hit that like button, comment in the chat. The more engagement we get, the more people we can reach, more people we can help. Remember, hit that subscribe for more and check out the other videos for builds of all of a bunch of other systems to get that going. And why our clients are able to move past so fast, scale past 7 figures, lose so much weight is because they instantly get these downloaded and they get the accountability and mentorship needed to be able to do that. But let's get into the mobile app. So here, I'll put this link down below. You want to get Shortcut, open Shortcut, and grab the link from the data side of things. So I want to go into data, and I'm going to want to put this inside of here. And I'm going to go back to my shortcuts and hit add shortcut and put the link, boom, right up here. Hit the plus button. Awesome. Add shortcut. Boom. Edit. And let's call this Fitness OS. Sweet. Then I'm going to go in here, lift. Sweet. And then we've got it in there. So we got our Fitness OS in there. I'm going to hit play, hit allow. And now we've got this in our shortcuts. So I'm going to flip around my phone right here and go to shortcuts on my phone. And I'm going to turn this around for you guys. And inside of here, we've got shortcuts. I have my Fitness OS. I'm going to hit the 3 dots, and then I'm going to go in here and then move this. Oh, not move. I'm going to add to home screen, add, sweet, and then we've got this, edit, boom. Let's hit this over here. And now we're going to be able to open this up, hit allow. And now we go straight to our Fitness OS. Pretty stinking cool. And I've got Mexican internet here, so I can add in the new date. Sweet, for today. I hit 30-minute workout, exercises 3, intensity, intermediate. Let's say I did chest, and I hit that chest routine. And then my exercises, awesome. Boom. Sweet. So I can keep track of all of that in my fitness app. And then I can also go to routines here. And when I'm at the gym, I can open up this routine, be like, oh yeah, how do I do that thing? Then I can click the button. It will go straight to that video. And I've got that good to go to tell me exactly how to do the thing. And what's really cool is with the new dashboards, which we've set up, boom, with the new dashboards, we can go in here, we can, boom, go here, and we can find that new dashboard inside of our Airtable, this interface right here, boom, and we can see the fitness dashboard as well. Pretty stinking cool. So what you want to do from here is watch this multiple times, set this up, get that going, and then start plugging in the routines that you do. So when you do those things, you just have it on mobile and set a goal to lose the weight and get that muscle. And the biggest thing is accountability and mentorship along the way. And that's why we have the brotherhood, the sisterhood. We have Systemized to CEO for business stuff. So if you want to explore that, I'll put the link down below to book in a call with me or my team. And go there, get out there, go change your life, and it will change other people's lives as well. That's about it for this video. If you enjoyed, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.